He's been good, Joshua Filler, in this match. You could say very good. Not by his standards exceptional, but very good.
Well, listen, he's missed a couple, an easy ball, that one down in the left and whatnot. But listen, he's played some unbelievable shots. He really has. He's had chances, he's been patient, even in the very last rack here. Gaz has had a couple of chances, not really took them, as the cue ball comes round off 4. Doesn't land perfect. But this is for the match.
We wish Gary Wilson a successful new snooker season. That starts next month. But this king of pool, Killer Filler, was living up to his name there, wasn't he?